Hello, this is some bonus material. Why? Because we have already seen how we can do this. Here we dive deeper into the living room space, its scenes, and its devices. The living room has 3 modes or scenes defined: relax, theater and party. A change in the scenes will apply changes to the devices. Note the change in temperature and the red-green indicators. These indicate whether a device is on or off. The TV can be opened, and we have embedded a YouTube video there. We have made the volume and channel buttons to be knobs with data binding. You can double-click to enlarge the YouTube video. For that we are using an iframe HTML element. The sound plays on your device speakers. As earlier indicated, the child Z spots indicate whether a device is on or off, depending on the mode selected. By default, we open up the relax mode when the living room is activated. To do this, we create a list of modes and then save them to the state of the application. These have the scene name, the icon to use, etc. Depending on the mode selected, we need to turn the devices on or off. As usual, we have added a Z view with a slot extension. We use a span element to show the content of the active mode. This reads stuff from the app state. For the animated update we use a set interval callback. When the progress is 40, we change the message that shows. When it's 100%, we are done with applying the settings. A list of devices is kept and updated when the mode changes. For this we create Z spots that are just sitting opposite the scene or mode selectors. For the AC, the Z spot should be a knob, else it should be a button. We later click one of these Z spots, the TV, to activate it. For the state indicators, we use child Z spots. These indicate whether a device is on or off with green and red colors respectively. This part adds the scene selectors from a list of predefined scenes for the living room. Show Me is fired when a scene is changed. This applies styles and settings for the devices. This uses the 20 milliseconds interval. Set Relax is called when the Vue.js component is created. It activates the relax scene. Get State is for setting the background state indicators for the devices. When a state is on, the background indicator is green, or else it's red. In Set Relax, we call Show Me, with the relax scene parameters. Show Me reads the current active scene. If it's already set, nothing happens. Then the process of applying the settings to the devices takes place. The AC temperature is increased or decreases and some devices turned on or off. We have defined a 20 millisecond interval so that the app appears as working when applying the settings. For this we use the progress. Progress start from 0% to 100%, at 40% we show the message that we are applying the rules, then we change the device settings depending on the scene. We added another layer here, so that when one selects the TV, it shows. We have used an iframe to show a YouTube video for that. Just this part mostly incorporates everything we have learned about ZUI. It's just awesome.